In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emo messages. If you're trying to find old emo conversations or recover information that may no longer be visible in the app, this process can help you request and download the account data associated with your emo profile. It's important to understand that this method is focused on recovering data through emo's account information request feature, so what you get will depend on what emo has stored and made available for download. To begin, open the emo app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, because the data request will be tied to the account that is currently logged in. If you use more than one account, take a moment to confirm you're in the right one. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile. This is where you'll find the personal account options and settings related to your emo activity. From there, tap Settings to open the main settings menu. Inside Settings, look for the Chat section and tap on it. This area contains chat-related options, including the tool that lets you request your account information. When you see the option called Request Account Info, tap on that to continue. Now, tap Request. This sends a request to emo to prepare a downloadable file containing your account data. In many cases, this file is not available instantly, so you may need to wait a little while before it's ready. The amount of time can vary, so be patient and check back later if needed. Once the file is ready, download it to your device. It's a good idea to save it somewhere easy to access, such as your Downloads folder or a secure location on your phone or computer. After downloading, open the file and review its contents carefully. Check for saved chats, photos, videos, and other account data included in the file. This is the part where you may be able to locate deleted messages or related media that were previously part of your account history. Keep in mind that not every deleted message is guaranteed to appear, especially if it was permanently removed and no longer retained by the service. For the best results, avoid deleting the downloaded file until you've fully reviewed everything inside. If needed, you can also keep a backup copy for reference later. That's how to recover deleted IMO messages using IMO's account info request feature.